Tomales Bay is special because it is a remarkably protected, preserved body of water.
There are hog islands in many bays in North America. Settlers would use the island sometimes to keep pigs on. That's probably what happened here, where they used it to keep hogs on. And our hog island is not very big, as you can see. It's pretty small. And talking to some of these old crusty wholesalers are saying, that's a horrible name. People think about pigs and dirt and blah, blah, blah. And now actually we have the trademark of the name Hog Island for shellfish and for restaurants.
I was into seafood, went to school for marine biology, and oysters were the only seafood I didn't eat. I really wanted to get into raising fish because I could see that as a way of the future. We did from the very beginning is we realized that education was part of what we needed to do. We needed to educate people about why this is a great way to grow food and all that kind of stuff. So I think you have an opportunity when you come here not to only sit in a beautiful place and taste an incredibly great product, but you get to really understand a little bit more about where this food comes from. And I think everybody needs to understand more about where their food comes from. This is a way we can grow animal protein super sustainably. Not only are there not a lot of inputs, but it actually depends on a really healthy environment.
The lower you go on the trophic scale, the less impacts you have in the ecosystem around it. Each one of those oysters that we're talking about are filtering the water. They're pumping 50 gallons a day. Anything that's reliant on the photosynthetic cycle is going to benefit from it.
We as a business count on this place to be healthy. We've been through a lot. It hasn't been a smooth ride the entire time, but it's still a ride. We've been in a business relationship for 35 years, but the relationship goes back further. Part of the hope is that a business like ours can be successful because I think really in the end, the business is part of the solution, not really the problem. It's about business helping solve environmental problems and social problems, not create them.
Setting the sail and rudder in the right position is what we're all about. There's a lot of ways to look at it, but the most important thing here is to raise the awareness of this incredible organism. It's something that has untapped potential.